Hello, this is Blue on Blue Point Trading. It is the 27th of June 2013, and the comeback rally is still up there. We did finally get up to the 1600, so where do we go from here? Come up rather sharply. I thought it would take a little bit of time to do that, and because it came up sharply, it could get the power to go through here. It is stalling here at these, obviously at this, which is now a resistance point, which was support. My feeling is it very well could go blast through this, and the question is how much further it goes. Obviously, if it comes right back up here, it has a risk of continuing even higher. All these bulls might be right, but I think it's going to spend its time below this trend line here for at least another maybe a week or so, trying to decide if it really does want to go up to new highs or break further down. I tend to be one to think it'll break further down, still further down to go. But for now, I think we're going to be working this area here, maybe get as high as 1620 or 30, and then make another poke down and re-challenge, because I think we're going to have to re-challenge this low at some point to see if it sticks. So for today, it looks like we could get some strength here. Probably I'd give that a 60% chance, 67% chance it's going to have continued strength today. With the bonds, looks like it's going to continue to trade sideways until it decides to take the next leg down. Might even float up a little bit. So sideways is slightly up. On the Forex, might get a little rebound. We've been down hard here, so it might get a little bit of reversal here. Let's see how strong the reversal comes. So I'm calling this sideways to slightly up. You never know, maybe we get some strength here and get a bigger up move than we think. But for today, we get a little bit of reprieve. Same thing on the pound, a little bit of reprieve, sideways to slightly up. On the yen, working the wedge to the upside, so sideways to slightly up. And on the Swiss, same kind of story, sideways, probably a little bit. It did have a good rally, so sideways to maybe slightly up, mostly sideways. And on the Aussie, got a low slope here, so it's just kind of gradually coming up here. So sideways to slightly up, and again, all these markets are still in down modes, so don't think that this is a bit major reversal yet. We have to wait and see how that pans out. And CAD coming back down to this, we've been waiting for this move here, back down to the 104. Finally looks like it might get there today and then stall. In the commodity space, gold in the doghouse. Looking for a bottom here at 1220. It's pretty cheap. A lot of people are thinking longer term long golds in here, so I think it could find a home here. So, but I think to get the turn, you're going to need some sideways action to see if this low will hold. So we might get a move back up as high as what is that, 1260, 1280. But I think it's going to spend some time down here in purgatory and to see if this low holds, because you're going to have to come up and then come back and see if that low actually holds or not. So maybe a little bit up today, but still by no means yet a reversal in the gold. Oil, surprise, had a scary dip there on the oil report yesterday and then fired right back up. That's generally fairly bullish. We're certainly up here at this resistance area. And what is that, 96? About 96-ish. And it's resisting there early in the morning, and if the equities bounce through, then it'll probably drag up the oil as well. So looking for this to jiggle here a little bit, and then if the equities break up, so will this. However, I'm not going to be following it too much because I do think longer term oil is still too expensive relative to the supply-demand equation. And as always, whatever you do, don't be panicking in the market.